Hello everybody. It's Sunday afternoon here at Virginia Beach. It's a very nice weather, beautiful in the heart of summer. Just wanted to share with you guys my Corvette. This is a C6 Corvette. I got about 40,000 miles in this car, and when I bought this car it was very quiet. And this is what I did with the engine on this. First modification that I did is I changed the headers. It's a long tube headers. Anyway, this Corvette is Ls3 package. So the first thing that I did is change the headers. I put Kooks long tube headers here. Then after that, I did change the whole exhaust system, the whole muffler. Changed it to Borla, made by Borla Atak. And after that, go ahead and change the camshaft, cam stage 3. That's what I did to this Corvette. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this hood, and I want you to hear it. I'm gonna start it. I'm gonna start this car. Hello. I'm gonna start this car, and I want you to listen to it. So here we go. Let me start this then. Who needs radio with this sound? It's really nice. And also I did a modification on the headlights, Musimoto headlights, and also the front lights. If you own one C6, this is the best car to play around with it. I never had any problem with this car. Beautiful, runs great. Look at the Borla. Alright you guys, see you next time.